Oh, you guys are there? Oh, I'm just here admiring myself in my new vanity mirror. Guys, like this is so amazing. Especially I can have it the way that I want it to be. Like this just screams me. Like, could you imagine? Like, this is my baby. This is my vanity, guys. Like, you guys want something like this? I can show you in the video. You guys are gonna learn how to make this. Oh my god. But yeah, guys, this is where I sit every morning to do my makeup. Every morning. I love it. I appreciate it. My husband and I did this. You guys want to watch this video? Stay tuned and watch. You guys are gonna learn how to get a dimmer up in your vanity. Yes, big up, big up, big up, big up. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know if you're gonna work on something like this, because guys, I saw one of my girls doing their thing with the vanity and I am like, gotta do it up. Continue watching.
Please, they say the store, please don't spray. The cap is the same color as the paint that's inside. Look, now because we didn't spray, what happened? It's not even working. So we came all this way. I'm ready to spray my sparkles, and now I can't. I'm quite upset, and it just comes out like this. Like, what is that? What is that? That don't make no sense. So now this has to be on a pause. I am not happy about that. So.
Alright guys, as you can see, I bought the metallic dark steel spray paint and I used the sparkles on top of the black and it did not turn out the way I wanted to, so I ended up spraying this dark steel metallic paint and then I put the sparkles on top of it. So these are the things you're going to need to make your vanity desk. The vanity with the 6 bulb was purchased for $46. The 5 bulb was purchased for $31.55. Okay, so first you're going to take the caps off, remove the top layer. In each vanity tray, there are main wires. Take them out. And once you do that, you're going to connect the white ones together and the black ones together. Once you connect the wires together, you're going to get the standard wire connectors and you're going to twist them on. For extra safety, grab your electric tape. So this is how it's supposed to look. Cut the wires that are beside the wires that you already finished on both sides. Then you're going to make a small slit in the wire and grab a tool, a pliers, or you can use your hand so you can expose the copper wire. If your wires are not long enough, cut 2 pieces of the white wires and cut 2 pieces of the black wires. Make sure you expose the wires. Now you're going to add the white wire to the same white wire, put the connector on top. You're going to grab the black wire and you're going to add it. You're going to put the connector on that as well. So now you have these wires looking like that. So the same thing that you did to one side, you're going to do to the other side. And this is how it's supposed to look. Now you're going to grab the side vanity wires and you're going to connect it just like this. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to wrap it around and you see this red circle? That's what you're going to connect it to. Grab the connector, twist it on. Wrap the electric tape around it and voila! You're going to do the same thing to the white wire. You're going to grab the white wire. You're going to put them together and grab the connector and the electrical tape. You're going to repeat on the next side. So to be able to hide the wire, I made my husband drill a hole so the wire is not exposed. To be able to put the top layer back onto the vanity, you have to make sure there is an actual hole. So you're going to have to get cutters to be able to cut a hole open. And this is what it's supposed to look like. Now this is how your vanity is supposed to be looking at this moment. Okay, so right now I'm going to be cutting a next piece of white wire and a next piece of black wire. Make sure you expose the copper wire. I would like you guys to fully understand how to connect the replacement cord, the dimmer, and the vanity all together. So I would like to give a special thanks to the Fine Guru. I'm bigging her up so you guys can check her out. Check her out on her channel. And yeah, she helped me out, and this is an amazing, she's honestly amazing. So check her out. This will show you how to, like, you know, put everything together.
The dimmer has 2 black wires and 1 ground wire. The replacement cord has 1 black, white, and ground wire, and the other end gets plugged into the wall. 1 black wire on the dimmer needs to be connected to the power. The other black wire on the dimmer needs to be connected to the vanity. The white wire on the power needs to be connected to the vanity, so you take both of those wires and you twist those together. The dimmer needs to be connected to the power cord and the vanity to work properly. So take one of the black wires from the dimmer and twist it together with the other black wire from the power cord. So now I have the power cord fully connected. I have the black wire from the dimmer connected to the black wire of the power cord. Then I have the white wire from the vanity connected to the white wire of the power cord, which will then be plugged into the wall. Next, I'm going to take the other black wire from the dimmer and connect it to the other black wire on the vanity. So now that all the wiring is done, the 3 vanity strips should be connected.
So what I'm going to do is add a few bulbs in on either side, and I'm going to turn on the dimmer to see if it actually works. And here it goes. It actually works, guys. I'm so excited. So now I got my husband to cut a hole to place the power cord through. And now I marked a hole, so I'm going to drill the hole to the back of the board. So right here I'm going to be using corner braces and nails to be putting all my sides together. So as you can see, my husband and I were just nailing the whole thing together. Now we're trying to get the proper measurements, so grab your mirror and grab your vanity lights and place them on your board, just like so. So once you remove the covers, you can start drilling the holes for your screws. The bag with the wire connectors comes with screws, and those are the screws that I'm going to be using. So I just wanted to add a little bling to my vanity, so I add this nice puller with some diamonds on it, and it just brought out my vanity even more. Oh, and I got this from Home Depot as well. So now, as you can see, we're repeating the process, putting the wires together for the dimmer. Make sure that everything is all taped up and protected. So now what I did, I used some of my concealer and I put on the dimmer. And the reason why I'm doing that is to mark it as to where I'm going to drill the hole to put it through. So I'm making sure that it's working once again, and it is, and I'm so excited that I'm, I gotta do it like a DJ. So right now I'm taking off the plastic cover off the vanity. Make sure that you put the wires through the holes that you drilled out. Now this is what it's supposed to look like. Gonna add the covers back on. Put on the dimmer, and right now we're putting on the mirror. So you're going to get your toughest glue, and the glue I will be using is E6000. I'm going to squeeze it all on the wood because I don't want this mirror to fall off whatsoever.
Find something to protect your mirror, which I found my yoga mat before I put the weights on top to press down. So right here I'm adding the doorknobs to the drawers. I got these little knobs from Home Depot as well. I'm putting them in, and I'm going to turn on my vanity lights, and it's on, it's finished. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching.
Yes, guys, honestly, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. It's finally finished. It's finally done. My vanity is beautiful. It's me, and I love it. I just don't know what else to say. You watch it on YouTube, you watch other ladies do it, and you're just like, hey, I should be able to make my own too. And this is the result. My husband helped me, and I greatly appreciate it. If any of you guys can have a partner that can help you, if you can do it by yourself, if you're a bad gal, bad boy, it doesn't even matter, get it done. But this is my baby. She'll be going everywhere with me, but maybe one day I'll let her go. I don't know. Will I ever let her go? I'm not too sure, but you just never know what the world might bring to me, because at the moment I'm at my parents' house. We're saving some money to get our own house, so you never know. Maybe my washroom's gonna have its own built-in vanity, and then maybe I'll sell it. You know what I mean? But anyways, let me know what you guys think about this vanity. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you would try something like this, if you would ever accomplish, if you think you could accomplish something like this, or if you have already done something like this. Let me know. Show me the video, show me some pictures, and let's talk about it. But make sure you subscribe, show me some love, and like this video if you love it. And I shall see you in my next video. Love you guys. Big up, big up, big up, big up. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.